Hi, my name is Joe Beausoleil. I'm the president and CEO of Gemini Plastics Incorporated here in De Pere, Wisconsin. Gemini is a manufacturer of plastic components for the OEM marketplace. Gemini Plastics has 16 employees, and now with the assistance of RingCentral, half of those employees have the ability to work remotely. This past year here at Gemini Plastics, we've taken the opportunity to make significant process improvements. One of those improvements is our phone system. Our traditional phone system was landlines, and we wanted to move to a mobile service that would allow us the opportunity to more effectively communicate with our customers and move phone calls around within our organization. Not only is RingCentral more cost effective, we've saved as much as 30% over our traditional landlines. There's another part of it that I think is probably certainly more valuable than the cost savings, in that we had a customer who contacted our receptionist. She then had forwarded the call to me. I talked to this person for about 10 minutes and then revealed that I was traveling and I wasn't in the office. And she was surprised that I wasn't in the office and said, "This person, the receptionist, is not sitting next to you. I assume that she got the call and transferred it to you." But I was 3 states away from our home office at the time, and it was seamless. She had no idea that that was the case. A bit of an unintended benefit of having RingCentral is that we no longer have ringing phones all in the same office. We used to have 4 or 5 people working in the same environment, and so when a conversation was taking place on another call that didn't have anything to do with me or with anyone else in the room, you couldn't help but have that pull your attention away from your focus. RingCentral now allows us the opportunity to have remote employees, so if you get a call, that call is for you and you can put all of your focus on that call. We no longer have the distraction of ringing phones and conversations around you when you're trying to focus on that specific task. Along with other process improvements, it was important for our employees to stay connected. Whether they were visiting a vendor or visiting a customer, they needed to seem as if to the customer or to the vendor when they were taking a call that they were as if they were in the office. And RingCentral has allowed us that opportunity. We can transfer calls, make calls, take calls as if we were right here. Gemini Plastics is excited to partner with RingCentral, who shares our commitment to continuous improvement.